Hello everyone, this is my answer for the English task. Number one, if England had colonized Indonesia, Indonesia would have been included in the British Commonwealth of Nations. Two, if rendang were not one of the world's most famous dishes, restaurant owners would be hesitant to serve it at the restaurants of Indonesia. Number three, if children had been allowed to grow in a conducive environment for their development, they would have gained a better understanding of how to behave in the future. Number four, having completed the project, they said the architects will start another one. Number five, testing the college students' comprehensions. Many questions were delivered to score them. Number six, filled with cream covered in chocolate frosting and dusted with sprinkles. This cupcake will be enjoyed by you very much. Seven, seeing in film, the spectators must silence their cell phone. Number eight, while driving the highway, we saw a deer. Number nine, while walking at the surrounding temple, we usually feel pain in our knees. Number 10, teaching in kids class, teacher need patience. 11, being in charge of an annual meeting via Zoom, the CEO highlights the participants' beneficial point of view. 12, while talking in shops, the employees can entertain themselves after hours. 13, elaborating about selling strategies in front of the head for the first time, Mr. Jones appeared confidently. And then number 14, for the passive voice, the subject in the sentence relates to actions. Some of the characteristics of the passive voice are the first one, passive sentences according to the object. It's about transitive passive sentences. This sentence compares a series of subject, predicate, object followed by adverbs or complementary words. It doesn't matter if there are no positive words because they have been strung into a complete sentence. For example, the apple was eaten by this dog in the garden. And then about intransitive passive sentences. An object doesn't complete this sentence. Instead, the object position is replaced by an adverb or a complementary word. The pattern form becomes the subject predicate adverb or subject predicate complementary expressions. For example, the car got washed yesterday afternoon. And then the types of passive sentences according to the predicate. The first one is actions passive sentences. In a sentence, the predicate acts as a particular form of activity or actions. Depending on the sentence to be assembled, suffixes can be added to the predicate in the record of be or the state of be can. For example, my cute clothes is designed by my younger sister. And in a sense, a passive sentence is a sentence whose subject is subject to an activity or actions. And then the last one, number 15, the reasons why passive sentence of the book is owned by me cannot be accepted is because passive voice doesn't always use prepositions by. And then the correct way of saying this sentence is the book is mine. So the words owned by me make the sentence too long. That's all from me. Thank you for attention.